In model sim, first click on the File, New Project option. Then we have to type the project name and destination of the project. Click on the Browse option to select the project file location and then click OK. And then type the project name on the project name tab. Now project name and title is selected. In project location, that location is also selected. Now click on the OK option. Select the add existing files. To select the files, click on the browse option. Here select the all Verilog files to open it in the coding part. Now all the .v files are selected. Then click on the open option. Click on OK. Here then close. Now select the compile option to compile all the files. Now all the Verilog files are compiled successfully. Then click on the Stimulate button. Start stimulation. Now start stimulation dialog box will appear. In that select the work option. In that tab select the main architecture module and then click OK option. Now we have to assign the input to the clock and input to the north port, south port, east port, west port and local port. Click on the option to add wave. Add to wave. Signals in region. Right click to force clock option. Now data to north port is selected. After giving input, click on the OK option. Similarly, now north port is also selected. Likewise, input are given to all the 5 ports. Request is the 5-bit one, which is used to select which output port to out the data. Now we have to force the value to the request. 110. This value is to select the south port. When we change this value, then we can see the changes in the output port of east, north, west, south and local. After assigning all values, click on the run option. Now we can see the changes clearly. in the north port, the output, the given input is there, but output will be 0 0. Similarly, in west port, input will be there, but output will be 0 0. In east port also input is there, but output it is 0 0. But in south port we have the same input and the same output, because the request we have selected is 1000, which is the request line of south port, so that only the output will be displayed in the south port. If we change the request bit, then we can obtain the output in north port, west port, east port and local port. Now I changed the request line, request value as 01100, and now I am clicking on the run option. Now the request bit is changed, and then click OK. Then click on the run button. Now you can see the changes in the output port. Now the north port has value, input value, but output will be 0. Similarly in the east port and also in the south port, but in the west port we have the input and also the output, because the selection line given is 0010, which is the selection line of west port, so that only the output will be displayed in the west port. Similarly, we can change the request line bit and we can obtain output in various ports. That's all. This is all about the stimulation of our project. Similarly, we can give input to all 5 ports, and we can obtain the output from any one of the output port.